This video deconstructs the full specifications of the Nothing Phone 3, Model A024. The Nothing Phone 3 features a durable build architecture. The front has Gorilla Glass 7 wide, and the back is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. The frame is made from 100% recycled aluminum. It weighs 218 grams and is IP68 certified for water and dust resistance. The NDOT57 Glyph interface offers an interface without a screen. It includes a notification system, essential search integration, and a charging indicator. The display technology is a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen with a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. It boasts a peak brightness of 4,500 nits and has a resolution of 1260 by 2800 FHD+. The camera system is a quad 50 megapixels setup. The rear cameras include a 50 megapixels main with OIS, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 50 megapixels telephoto periscope. The front camera is also 50 megapixels. The Nothing image engine features advanced HDR processing. Night mode maximizes pixel light intake, and action mode utilizes both OIS and EIS for stable video capture at 4K 60 frames per second. Processing power is driven by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, built on a 4nm architecture. The octa-core CPU clocks up to 3.2 GHz with an Adreno Next General GPU, achieving an average of 88.7 frames per second in high-performance gaming. The memory architecture includes 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, which is RAM booster compatible, paired with 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. The Nothing OS runs on Android 15, offering a bloat-free and fast experience. It guarantees 5 years of OS updates and 7 years of security patches. For endurance and refueling, the phone features a 5,500 mAh capacity battery. It supports 65W wired fast charging, as well as wireless and reverse wireless charging. The phone offers an in-display optical fingerprint sensor for biometrics. Durability is ensured by IP68 water and dust resistance, along with NFC and a secure enclave for security. Global connectivity includes dual SIM support, 5G, 4G, LTE, Wi-Fi 6/6E, Bluetooth 5.3+, and a USB-C port. In the box, you will find the Phone 3, a 65W charger, a USB-C cable, a SIM tool, and safety information. The launch manufacturer's suggested retail price was 89,999 Indian rupees. The current street price on Amazon India is 56,000 Indian rupees, offering flagship specifications at a mid-market investment. To summarize, the Nothing Phone 3 includes a 6.67-inch 120 Hz AMOLED screen, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, triple 50 megapixels rear camera, 5,500 mAh battery with 65W charging, and IP68 Gorilla Glass Victus build.